Oh yeah guys, let me just show you how you use your card. This is GAUTRAIN for you guys. Let me just try find some offices for this that we can buy this. Yeah. The coins that we've been just talking about. Okay, so here's my ticket. Right. So here's my card. So say right, card amount. Right.
It's 3 down escalator.
3 down,
yeah, and then platform B, it's on your left.
On my left. Okay, thanks man. Okay. It's simple. This is how you do it. It opens and you start going. Take this way, yeah. So guys, we are going to Johannesburg from sandton. We are going to take GAUTRAIN. This is GAUTRAIN guys, and yeah, I'm not used to be doing all these things, but I just had to do it for a vlog, just to show you how it works. Just to show you sandton GAUTRAIN station and also the GAUTRAIN. So actually when you're coming here, getting out of where the office where you can buy your ticket, it takes you about 3 escalators going down where you get the train actually. So yeah, it really is down guys. Can you imagine? Look at that. It really is down. So we are going down there and we are going to Johannesburg. I'm gonna have to okay, let's keep on going. Guys, it is what it is. I'm not cutting anything. I'm just showing the place as it is so that you know how the station looks like, the GAUTRAIN station looks like. So I don't know, this is this the third one or this the second one? Platform C, trailers. Welcome to sandton station. So we are here. I think, can you just give it a little tour so that going this side, what's there? Era now, okay. It's going to sit. Put which one? Just next door. Next. So Nisha Pansi foot. Right there, just showing me where Joburg is. This open space, yeah.
Platform B.
Platform B.
Box station.
Yeah, box station. Thank you, boss. Right. See, everything is easier. If you don't know where you're going, you can just easily get the directions and everything. All you just need to do is ask. So this is section B, platform B. Right, going.
Due to a technical fault of the line, kindly note that there is a service disruption between 5 and Hatfield stations, which is likely to.
So this is platform B. That's where I'm going to get my GAUTRAIN to Joburg. So this is how the area looks like. Amazing. So let's just wait for GAUTRAIN, and when GAUTRAIN comes, then we are in. So now I'm gonna cut this video off for a while. Yeah, and the only thing that I can just want to ask you guys is please subscribe. subscribe to your world. So let's just give you a little tour of this station. Here, if you go up, you'll be going, there are toilets there, I think somewhere. Yeah, so you can see toilets.
Attention passengers, for your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line. Thank you.
Let's just go check how those toilets looks like. The GAUTRAIN station toilets. How's that? Let's see how it looks like. So this is for women. I'm not a woman. So this is for men. This is how these toilets looks like. Okay. Okay. And okay, here comes the train.
Johannesburg Park Station. The next station is Rosebank.
Right. Oh. At any time it will be departing. It doesn't stay that long. Maybe a minute, 2 minutes, not so sure, but yeah, it's already going. We're leaving sandton now. Right, station. From sandton station
Train to Johannesburg Park Station. The next station
goes to
Rosebank.
Rosebank. Okay, so this is Rosebank, my station, GAUTRAIN station. Actually, after leaving sandton station, the next station is Rosebank. Okay. So people are getting out.
Will stop at Johannesburg Park Station.
So can you see what it says here? That says next station is Johannesburg Post Station.
Johannesburg Park Station.
Exactly. So yeah, let's go back.
Leave the train.
Alright, so we have just approached Johannesburg. This is Johannesburg station now. Right here, right there. So coming off. Here we go. let's see how many levels, how many stairs we have in Johannesburg Park Station. I think it's only one. So this is the Johannesburg Park Station, GAUTRAIN Park Station. So I'm sure this is the only, it's first, the second, so it's only 2 stairs, and then you're out. This is Johannesburg Park Station for you guys. It's been a journey. This is GAUTRAIN for you. That was the experience. I hope you enjoyed the ride. And we are out. And outside looks like this. Best place ever.